Today, Southern Gardening is back at Pine Hill Nursery in Pass Christian, Mississippi, admiring some colorful plants that love part shade and shade. Heuchera, commonly known as coral bells or alum root, is a versatile and attractive perennial plant native to North America and prized for its foliage. Its leaves come in an array of colors and often feature marbled, veined, or ruffled patterns. Primo wild rose boasts bright rosy purple leaves with prominent colored veining. The large scalloped leaves provide a textural contrast, making it an excellent companion plant in gardens. The distinctive veining adds another layer of visual intrigue. Primo pistachio ambrosia is celebrated for its vivid, eye-catching large scalloped leaves that are a bright pistachio green with subtle veining, creating a fresh, luminous effect in garden settings. This vibrant foliage is particularly effective in shaded or partly shaded areas, where its light color brightens darker spaces. One of my favorites, Dressed Up Evening Gown, is named for its luxurious, velvety leaves, which are a deep, glossy black with heavily ruffled edges. The texture and shimmering quality of the foliage gives it a sophisticated, dressy appearance that invokes the elegance of a formal evening gown. All of these plants thrive in USDA zones 4 through 9 and perform best in partial shade to full shade. In the South, many varieties of Heuchera will have foliage that is semi-evergreen or evergreen, providing year-round interest. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.